Polling place statistics. The voter statistics form. The voter statistics form, or pink sheet as it is commonly called, is used to report Ramsey County's official election totals to the statewide election reporting system. Once polls have closed, the pink sheet must be completed. The form should reconcile the number of voter receipts or signatures in the rosters with the number of ballots that were run through the ballot counter. This video will take you through the process of completing the form and present suggestions for resolving totals that do not match. What needs to be completed on the pink sheet? Line A. This is the number of voters who registered on Election Day, otherwise known as non-registered voters. There are 3 ways to determine this number. First, count the number of Election Day registration applications completed by voters. Second, count the number of yellow, non-registered receipts. Third, count the number of lines completed on the non-registered roster. All 3 of these numbers should be the same. If the number of receipts does not match the number of signatures and applications, record the number of signatures, but note on the form the number of yellow receipts and applications. Line B. This is the number of people who signed the pre-registered roster, otherwise known as registered voters. This number can be found in 2 ways. First, count the number of blue registered receipts. Second, count the number of signatures on the registered roster. Both of these numbers should be the same. Line C. This number is the sum of lines A and B. Line C should be equal to the total votes cast line on the summary tape printed from the ballot counter. If you find discrepancies in your numbers, look at your hourly tracking sheet and Election Day journal to see if there are any incidents that may cause your statistics to be inaccurate. Possible incidents include jam ballots, abandoned ballots, or a voter refusing to vote after signing the roster. If the number of voter receipts does not match the number of signatures, be sure to check that voter receipts were numbered correctly. If a number was accidentally skipped or repeated, it could explain why your statistics do not match. If you find an incident that could have affected your statistics, record this on the pink sheet. An election staff member will assist you in resolving the problem when you return your materials on election night.